Sorry for being insistent, but this is violation of civil and political rights. You need to protect people. Worship services were interrupted. Some activities connected with the religious belief. These are serious violations of their political and civil rights. What does the CHR intend to do or have done in the first place? KOJC is a religious organization. Considering, Madam Chair, that it is a religious sect, several thousands of PNP members trooped to their compound, and I think up to today they're still there. Did you happen to investigate whether there are civil rights violated by the members of the PNP in encamping in their compound?
Yes, the commission is investigating the incidents concerning the KOJC, Your Honor.
What did you find out initially?
The field or our regional office is still conducting its investigation, and we expect the regional office to submit its recommendation the soonest, Your Honor.
Before everything else happened, like what you said, that there might have been several acts already done in violation of their civil and political rights, did you not bother to at least post some of your members or anybody there even before the events unfolded, so that we could have prevented most of it, if not all?
We had, Your Honor. In fact, we assigned at least 3 investigators in the area, Your Honor, as early as September 1.
They advised the state actors.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact,
and what did the state actors do after being advised?
And as we all know, Your Honor, they proceeded.
Considering, Madam Chair, that it is a religious denomination, the worship services were interrupted, some activities connected with the religious belief. These are serious violations of their political and civil rights. They're still prevented from doing that. What does the CHR intend to do or have done in the first place?
Your Honor is currently investigating the situation, monitoring the situation.
It's not good enough. I think CHR should do something, because we need to protect them. Protecting their human rights is the center of the function of the CHR.